go ahead.
Thank you, Nola, for this time. It's been really great. This has been the best meeting ever. But I do have one more question for Melissa. Melissa, what is your advice? I heard you at the event, but now we've got more people here. What would you say is the best thing to do in Facebook groups? Because I too do organic with Facebook and been on Facebook for a long time, but wanted to hear your expertise on reaching people in Facebook groups.
Yeah, so I don't post in Facebook groups. I share from my personal page into Facebook groups. I also never, ever talk about my business or my product in Facebook groups. So I'm not in Facebook groups for business. I'm in Facebook groups for networking. Okay, so I am a mom. I'm a stepmom. I have been a foster mom, and I'm an adoptive mom. So I'm in a lot of mom groups. I just decided I wanted to mom every way that is possible on the planet, I guess. So I'm in a lot of mom groups. So when you see me create content about motherhood, about teaching children, or about home, and I'm in a lot of homeschool groups, or about homeschool, I take, those people are just like me. It's easy for me to talk to moms. It's easy for me to talk to homeschool moms because they're just like me. And so when I create content around like advice for homeschool moms or advice for moms, so I don't know if anyone saw my thank you formula post, I hit the share button and I share that into my mom groups. And what happens is the people in those mom groups, if they like the content and they align with me, they come to my personal profile and they share it on their personal profile. And that's how I gain 100 to 300 new followers a month that are just like me, who want to talk to people like me.
Thank you, Melissa. That was fantastic. Thank you.
Thank you. It was fantastic. It was worth going a minute over for sure. We could go whole hours over with Ms. Collins' brilliance too. So